What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jan, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be bringing you along for the ride as I unbox my brand new Mac Studio supercomputer, the fastest computer that the Apple Corporation have ever produced and released to the public. It arrived today. I am so pumped. So I'm going to take you through this unboxing, a quick little video about me unpacking this thing, and then I'll do some future videos on this channel of how I'm using this and how fast it is and all the good things. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the computer. I ordered it the day they were announced. I have been in the market looking for a computer for now a little bit. I waited for this one to come out. I have been using a completely loaded out iMac Pro style computer that cost about $8,000 when I ordered this computer now like 4 years ago. And when this thing came out, I was just blown away. So I had to scoop it up right away. So I ordered it. It took about 2 months and it arrived today. So I want to show you what this thing looks like unboxing it. I mean, it's a supercomputer. It cost a little over $8,000, which is a significant investment, but I can justify that because it will power my entire company, all the creative that we create for this channel, and all of the SCE Event Group projects. And we beat the crap out of these computers, and I personally do too. I use it for studio, for audio production projects. I use this for editing a ton of video, and I do it for a lot of the management of the SCE universe of content. So I got this thing maxed out to the gills. It's got the M1 Ultra 20C CPU with a 64 CPU, whatever. A lot of tech terms. It's got 128 gigs of unified memory. It's got an 8 terabyte solid state drive. It's got a bunch of connections on it. It's got a 10 gigabyte Ethernet, and it's got the country kit for the USA. Again, I ordered this computer like 2 months ago and it arrived here today. So let's just crack it open because I am anxious to get this thing up and running. And then I want to move my iMac over to the SCE Event Group office because I need a computer over there that can kind of edit and do some stuff. So first and foremost, let's get into this thing. So let's unbox this baby. It's heavy. It definitely has some weight to it. And the boxing is just like all of the Apple product stuff. Very well constructed. Opening it up. Let me see how we're going to do this here. We're going to turn it over this way. We're going to crack it open. And what you see, materials up over here, the computer itself with basically you're unboxing this like a Christmas present. I feel like this is whatever. Okay, cool. You actually pull the computer out. This is what it looks like fresh out of the box. And really cool. This box actually, the computer itself looks like it's suspended by the packaging so it can take and absorb shock in transportation, which is pretty dope. It's definitely constructed pretty well on the sides of the box. And again, this right here has a little bit of play to it, so it doesn't get beat up if you're, having it shipped across the globe. These are produced in China and it was brought here by UPS specifically. So got some marketing collateral up in the top portion of this box. It's a really nice box. And then you have the computer itself. I'm going to just kind of I'm just going to dive right in because I'm so excited. I'm so hyped about this computer. Let me tell you, a lot of people might watch this and say this is overkill, and maybe it is, but I value my time, and having insanely fast processors and no lag when I'm editing is everything. If I'm going to cut down some videos and I'm going to spend some time on my computer, I want to be on something that is fast as possible, and this computer should definitely be it. Again, it's loaded out to the gills. This is what it looks like over here. The side, the back with all the different ports. Really cool. You got USB-C, got your Ethernet, power, some USB, HDMI, audio, headphones. On the front, you've got some more USB-C, and you have a card reader. This computer is awesome. If you haven't caught the keynote on this actual unit, this would be something that I would highly recommend. If you're into the tech, this computer is insane. And I can't wait to feature some feedback on this unit here on this channel. I will be using it again here in my home studio. It's going to power a number of different things within my world, specifically creating content, editing content, both audio and video form, as well as a lot of content for the SCE Event Group. Again, right here in my home studio. And I am so pumped to rip this thing open. So there it is, the brand new Apple Studio computer. It has arrived. I can't believe I'm shaking this thing. I'm so pumped to get this thing on. I will be doing some videos here on this channel in the future talking about the just what this thing can do. And again, I appreciate you checking this video out. If you like what you saw, you like what you see on this channel, I would invite you to support me and this channel, all things on this channel, with some sub love down below. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you have any questions about this computer at all, throw it in the comments down below. This channel is geared towards the world of DJing and teaching DJs how to become better business owners, how to crush their events, whether it be in performance or just growing. And it's all based on real deal experiences that I've learned growing up in this industry now for greater than 15 years. If you feel that, again, I'd love to invite you to jump on board, support me in this channel. Thank you once again for checking this video out. More to come about this brand new Apple Studio computer in the time ahead. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon.